a condolence meet called by Masjid Taha, and wherein the participants were mostly the Hindus, Christians, and many Muslim preachers also were part of this particular condolence meet. And it gives such a positive message for this Ganga Jamni Tehzeeb, that is that unity, the message of unity and diversity, because this loss of General Bipin Rawat, the first CDS, is not the loss of a Muslim or a Hindu, it is a national loss. And we all, the message which went for the country is that we all are together in this particular loss, where there was a condolence, and they observed 2 minutes of silence also, and almost the 12 people along with General Bipin Rawat and his wife who were expired in this accidental helicopter accident, everybody paid their tribute to the legacy of General Bipin Rawat. And the message is loud and clear that it is a national loss, and the Muslims from the premise of a masjid observing this condolence meet gives a very positive message across this country.